Hi y'all! Today we are at Universal Orlando staying at Endless Summer Resort, Surfside Inn and Suites. Super excited, and I wanted to share this walkthrough with you guys in case you're debating on staying here. I'll do a full room tour, a quick walkthrough of both Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida, as well as a mini review of Finnegan's Bar and Grill. If you drove to the resort like we did, you'll pull up to the front, check in, and then you'll be given a key card that you'll tap to get into this parking garage. So we're just going to take this elevator to get us down to the ground floor. If you actually pay attention to signs, unlike me, you can park really close to this side of the door and bring all your luggage up to your room and then go ahead and repark in the garage. Or you can pretend you're trying to take all your groceries out of the car in one trip and struggle like we did. If there's not any kindly strangers to open the door for you like me, then you'll tap your key card to get inside. If you keep walking straight that way instead of going towards the elevators, you'll see the front desk, Starbucks, the gift shop, the cafe, the door to the pool area, and the pickup location for the resort buses. I love when there is hand sanitizer everywhere, by the way. You're going to need to actually tap your key card to operate the elevators up to the rooms, which is actually a pretty nice safety feature. I low-key like this carpet. It really reminds me of waves in the sand. Is that just me? So we kind of booked this last minute, and all they had left was a 2 queen bed accessible room. It's not bad at all. I'm not a big fan of these bedspreads though. They don't seem that old, just maybe they picked a cover that's not the most durable fabric. I actually wouldn't be surprised if they swap these out in the future. Curtains are cool, kind of remind me of clouds. Let's see what this view is all about. Okay, so don't look down, but you can actually see the parks from here. For some reason my brain keeps telling me that's a Waffle House. Okay, so we just discovered a little witchcraft and wizardry here. Pretty neat. Got a little mini fridge here, great for leftovers and adult libations. Some storage, a little seat. Thermostat we are gonna keep cranked. Behind curtain number 2, you've got a safe, an area to hang clothes, a little ironing board and an iron, some extra blankets and pillows up there. This I love. The little hooks look like they'd be perfect to hang like a wet raincoat or something like that. Now let's head to the bathroom. Let's get these lights on. I mentioned before that this is an accessible room, and I'm guessing the bathroom is probably the biggest difference between this and a standard room. There's some products in the shower. One of those things that pulls out of the wall for you to hang wet swimsuits on. Blow dryer, very good makeup mirror situation, and lots of towels. Overall, this gets a thumbs up and looks pretty clean. We'll take one more quick peek at the view, and then I think we're gonna get changed and go ahead and head in the parks. So this is where the resort buses drop you off. After security, you have a series of these kind of airport style conveyor belts that will get you into Universal CityWalk. This mini golf place looks awesome. Have any of you guys ever done this before? I have to definitely remember this for next time. The lagoon area is so pretty. I think this is actually one of the boats that takes you to the Lowe's Portofino Hotel. So this is actually where I just was. There's the boat again, and you can kind of get a better view of what restaurants were over on that side. So now we're gonna go ahead and head over to Islands of Adventure. We already have our tickets, so we're just gonna head straight in. You can't film on any of the rides here, but I will try to just walk around a little bit and give you an idea of the parks. There's a Starbucks as soon as you get into the park if you need your morning fix. If you have early morning entry though, I would make a beeline for Hagrid's, which is probably my favorite ride across all of the parks I've been to. Lunch is the 3 broomsticks, and the fish and chips are my favorite. I like how they have all the fake foods in the case like this. It reminds me so much of being back in Japan. Not everything is on display though, so make sure to check the menu board before you order. The VelociCoaster was awesome. It's as fun as it looks, and we even enjoyed grabbing a butterbeer or a Deathly Hallows from Hogshead and watching the coaster from the bridge. The Jurassic Park gift shop was also pretty cool. I love this big guy here in the middle. We did a full lap around the park and passed through Seuss Landing on the way out, which looks like it has several fun rides for the smaller kiddos. If you want to head over to Universal Studios from Islands of Adventure, you can exit back into CityWalk and head through the main entry. You can also take the Hogwarts Express to Diagon Alley, which is really fun. They will check your theme park ticket when heading back to Universal Studios once you exit the train. I absolutely love this part of the park. So many little alleyways and shops to check out. If you hang out in front of Ollivanders, you may be able to catch the dragon blow fire. FYI, you can't take backpacks or cameras on rides like you can at Disney, so you'll see a lot of these free locker areas to place your items in before entering the ride. You usually use your pass or park ticket to open and close the locker.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we had a Canadian witch on the bus once, yeah. Yeah, she was a little loony, you know. Well, you're from Quebec, that makes sense.
At this park, we ate at Finnegan's Bar and Grill across from Revenge of the Mummy. They started us off with soda bread, which was fresh and warm with both whipped and apple butter. My husband got the Grand Ole Burger, which he really enjoyed because it wasn't just that standard frozen theme park burger patty. I opted for the vegan shepherd's pie, which was made with Beyond Meat. It was actually really good, flavorful, cooked well, and easily shareable. I like to pack it in and I had trouble finishing. VelociCoaster I could do, but for some reason this felt, I guess, out of my league. Have you guys ridden both? I heard a rumor Rip Ride Rocket might be going away, so maybe I should give it a shot next time before it's gone. Now it's time to exit through CityWalk and head back towards the buses. That looks like maybe it's the other side of the mini golf place down there. I really am gonna have to check that out. You can see the sign up there. It looks like the rideshare area is also this way. Okay, y'all, that'll do it for me. Hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful. In the meantime, be kind, be creative.